Stop. Don't skip this video. If you ever travel and don't know what to say at a hotel, this video will help you speak English with confidence. Today, you will practice real hotel conversations, step by step. Listen, repeat, speak like a pro.
Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to speak English at a hotel. We will practice real-life conversations from start to finish. I will say each line first, then you repeat after me. Speak loudly, speak clearly. Don't be shy. Let's begin.
Part 1. Making a reservation.
Hello, Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I help you? Hello, Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to book a room. Hello, I would like to book a room.
For what dates? For what dates?
From June 10th to June 12th. From June 10th to June 12th.
How many people? How many people?
2 adults. 2 adults.
What type of room would you like? What type of room would you like?
A double room, please. A double room, please.
Would you like breakfast included? Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
May I have your name? May I have your name?
My name is John Woods. My name is John Woods.
Your room is booked. See you soon. Your room is booked. See you soon.
Part 2. Arrival at the hotel. Welcome to the Grand Plaza. Welcome to the Grand Plaza.
Thank you. I have a reservation. Thank you. I have a reservation. Please go to the reception desk. Please go to the reception desk. Thank you. Thank you.
Part 3. At the reception. Good evening. How can I help you? Good evening. How can I help you?
I have a reservation under John Woods. I have a reservation under John Woods.
Let me check. Yes, we have your booking. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking. Can I see your ID, please? Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
Please sign here. Please sign here.
Done. Done.
Here is your room key, room 305. Here is your room key, room 305.
Thank you. Thank you.
The elevator is on your right. The elevator is on your right.
Part 4. Room service conversation. Hello? Room service? Hello? Room service?
Yes, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you?
I would like to order food. I would like to order food.
What would you like? What would you like?
1 sandwich and 1 coffee, please. 1 sandwich and 1 coffee, please.
Anything else? Anything else?
No, that's all. No, that's all.
Your order will arrive in 20 minutes. Your order will arrive in 20 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Part 5.
at the hotel restaurant. Good evening. Table for how many? Good evening. Table for how many? Table for two, please. Table for two, please. This way, please. Here is the menu. This way, please. Here is the menu. Thank you. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like pasta. Yes, I would like pasta. And for drinks? And for drinks? One juice, please. One juice, please. Your order will be ready soon. Your order will be ready soon.
Part 6. Booking a cab. Can you book a cab for me? Can you book a cab for me?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
To the airport? To the airport?
What time? What time?
At 6 p.m. At 6 p.m.
Your cab is booked. Your cab is booked.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Part 7. Booking a sightseeing tour. Do you offer city tours? Do you offer city tours?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We have a half-day and full-day tour. We have a half-day and full-day tour.
I would like a half-day tour. I would like a half-day tour.
It starts at 9 a.m. It starts at 9 a.m.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
I will book it for you. I will book it for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Part 8. At the checkout. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Here you go. Here you go.
Payment successful. Payment successful. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Great job. Now go back and practice again. This time, try to speak faster and more confidently.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which part was easiest for you. See you in the next video.